Discover the hidden world of gemstones with precision microscopy. Rough, cut, or set, in the fascinating world of gemmology, every stone tells its own story, revealing unique internal and external characteristics. Mastering the art of observation is key. With the naked eye and proper lighting, we can observe a gem's shape, color, optical effects, transparency, and luster. But if we want to look deep inside a gemstone, uncovering whether it's natural, synthetic, treated, or even an imitation, proper equipment becomes essential. Only through the precision of microscopy can we observe, identify, and evaluate specific details such as inclusions, treatment marks, surface characteristics, and cut quality. For both seasoned professionals and aspiring gemmologists, Motic's microscopy solutions deliver exceptional optical performance, ergonomic design, and specialized features tailored for gemstone examination. The GM171 is an advanced microscope ready for the demands of professionals on the examination of gems, an ideal solution for achieving high-quality, detailed gemstone analysis. The SMZ140DF Gemmology Stereomicroscope is your essential tool for gemstone examination, designed to meet the everyday demands of gemmology professionals with precision and ease. The ST36 CDF is a compact and affordable solution for gem identification. With its features, it's perfect for emerging gemmologists doing fieldwork. Maximize your gemstone insights with Moticam's digital solutions. Effortlessly share your work with just a few clicks, or digitize your microscope using a reflex camera and a T2 adapter. Examine, identify, and evaluate minerals, gemstones, and jewelry with Motic's Gemmology Microscopes.